In this video, I'm going to show you how to upload photos to Google Drive from Android. So first, you want to make sure that you have Google Drive installed in your device. In my case, it's already installed, so I'm just gonna open it. And this is how it looks like. So we can go to our photos or your gallery and then tap on the photos that you want to upload to Google Drive. Let's say these ones, because I want to humiliate myself. And then tap on share at the top. And then what you want to do is to go to share to apps, scroll or swipe to save to drive. And then from here, you could select which account you want to upload it to. You could also choose the specific folder if you have any. Let's just tap on save. And it's gonna upload those files to my Google Drive. We are just gonna wait for it. And once the files are uploaded to Google Drive, we could just go there. And then we could now see that the files are here in this drive. So if you decided to remove the files, you could just tap on the three buttons beside them and then scroll down and then tap on remove. So what that does is it removes those pictures from your Drive folder. And that is how you upload photos to Google Drive from Android. If this video helped you out, please consider leaving a like and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. Have a good day.